Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have been watching my videos, then you know the setup very well because I have been talking about these levels for quite some time, for last couple of weeks, because 1.1666 is standing as a resistance for quite some time. Previously it was not a very strong resistance, but after this huge fall, it is very much clear to us that 1.1666 will be a very strong resistance for next couple of days as well. And on the other hand, we had 1.1600 as the support. To be honest, 1.1600 was not at all a very strong support. In fact, still it is not a very strong support. But what makes it important is that it is also the 50% retracement level. Yes, 50% retracement level has got some importance, and this is apart from being normal support. Okay, it is also the 50% retracement level, and this is the main reason why it is able to hold the market here right now. So after this huge red candle here, you can see that though market is standing at the support here, market is unable to go up. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, market is then, what is our general understanding? Our general understanding says that market bounces from support, market reverses from the resistance. Market is standing at the support right now, but you can see that market is still not going up. What is the reason? The reason is that market does not have the strength right now. The buyers in the market does not have the power right now to take the market upward. As a result, though market is standing at the support here, but still it does not have the strength to go up. And that's why the condition of Euro USD is like this. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then you can see that dollar, we were hoping that dollar would break the support and would go down, because dollar was we also had a descending triangle pattern here, so we were hoping that market would go down here, but there was a huge recovery on the US dollar, and you can see that right now dollar is trying to go up again. And this is the main reason, my dear friends, that I always focus on the word confirmation. If you watch my videos, then you can find it on hundreds and hundreds of videos. In fact, in each and every video you'll find that I always tell you that only buy after confirmation and only sell after the confirmation. That's why confirmation is always important, because see, we were hoping that dollar would go down from here, but I told you that do not short until and unless you get the confirmation. So we didn't have the confirmation, and you can see that market went up. Okay, so things are pretty confusing with the dollar chart right now, because dollar is trying to go up, so hopefully dollar will try to go up again from here. And on the other hand, if dollar falls also, dollar goes down also, definitely 93.50 will be a very strong crucial support for the market. So what should be a strategy for Euro USD then? Okay, I have talked enough. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is kind of confusing here, because you can see there, okay, you can see that Euro USD is standing at support but does not have the strength to go up. So you have two trading options here. The first option is, if market goes up from here or bounces, okay, if you see some sudden buying power, if you see market going up from here, then you can initiate a buy position. If you find Euro USD taking support and going up from here, that can be one trading opportunity with your stop loss below this level. And on the other hand, considering the present situation in the market, if Euro USD breaks the level and starts going down, that is not a surprising factor. So if Euro USD breaks the present support and starts going down, you can short the market. Wait for 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours. Yes, you need to wait for 4 to 6 hours just to have the confirmation. Yes, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading below the level, if you see that selling pressure is still present in the market, then you can short the market, because you'll get the confirmation that 1.1600, this is the new resistance, because support will become the resistance, and you can short the market. Okay, these are the two trading opportunities for you right now. And if you are a beginner new to trading, avoid Euro USD, because honestly speaking, I'll also avoid Euro USD, because my theory is simple. See, you may not like my words here, but my theory is simple. I do not trade on a chart that I do not understand well, and I'll also tell you the same thing. Please do not invest your money on a chart that you do not understand. This may be Euro USD, the most popular currency pair, but if you find it difficult to understand Euro USD, why should you trade? You should not trade, because after all, your loyalty should be towards making money, not towards any particular currency pair. So it's totally up to your decision. Okay, so, and if you're an experienced trader, if you know what to do, then you can go for buy if market goes up from here, or if market breaks the support and goes down, you can go for sell. That's totally your call. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and please use proper risk management, because it's your duty to protect your capital. Bye bye.